in a Miata ride height. I did a whole video about using the pinch weld to measure your ride height and how I use, I forget what these are called now. It's not a compass, it's something else. But I use it to get that and then to transfer it over to my micrometers. So I've been messing with it. I'll set the height, I'll adjust the 949 Racing Xida shocks, XIDA, adjust it, go drive it, come back, measure it, adjust it. I got down to where, when I started this, the last video on this months ago, I was at 150 millimeters front and back. I was perfectly flat. The car it handled great. It's a Miata, it handles great. But it wasn't as good as I wanted, as good as I thought it could be. So I started lowering it. And when I got below 140 at the rear, I got across the railroad track a few miles away, going to and coming from town. Going to town, I was okay, but coming out of town at 35 miles an hour, I bottomed out. It was like I could get down to 140 before I bottomed out. But no matter how low I went, it was still the same. It wasn't any worse. And I took it down to 125 and 120, 125 in the rear, 120 at the front. So 25 millimeters lower, 30 millimeters in the front lower. And I tried working back up to get so it wouldn't bottom out, and that was too high. So I'm back down to 125 at the front and 129 at the rear. And I have not done an alignment yet. It was set up just fine before, right at a good 949 Racing street competition alignment, where it handled great, hands off the wheel at 70 miles an hour, would track just fine. I got a lot more camber at all four corners, but it handles so much better. Yes, there's more camber. And I have, in 949 Racing and Flying Miata, both suggest about 3 to 5 millimeters of the front being lower. Right now, I am right at 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters front lower. I got 125 at the front, 126 between the two sides, and I am at, 128, 129 at the rear. So I'm right at 3 to 4 millimeter rake, and I drove it, I don't know, about 20 miles this morning. Some twisty, curvy roads and open highway. Highest speed limit we have around here is 75, so I couldn't go much more than that. Great at speed, low speed, twisty curves, was perfect. So I'm gonna leave it here for a while and see if I wanna mess with it again. But I just wanted to do a follow-up. 125 millimeter front pinch weld, 128, 129 in the rear pinch weld. Has this one, for me, working really, really good. And I got rid of my rock guards. I think the way that the tires fit in the fender well looks good. Looks real good when you walk up to it from a distance. But I just wanted to. And I got the tires at 30 PSI all the way around. I checked that before I did anything else. So that's the pinch weld height that works really good for me. And anybody working on a Miata, hopefully this helps you. Thank you for watching.